Concentration. Maintain laser-sharp focus and attention for stretches of 5 hours or more. Written by Kam Knight. Narrated by Burr. Section 1. Introduction to Concentration. Introduction. As humans, we like to think of ourselves as these walking, talking, thinking, wholly conscious beings. We assume that anything we do, be it exercising, having a conversation, or solving a problem, is simply a matter of just doing it. We often forget, however, that there are extremely complex, intricate, and sophisticated processes occurring inside the mind and body that allow us to do what we do. For example, when watching TV, the eyes receive millions of light rays from the screen to form an image. Based on that image, the brain then floods the body with feelings of joy, fear, laughter, and any other emotion that the show is trying to convey. In the same way, a complex reaction occurs with something as simple as moving the hand. First, the brain sends signals to nerve cells in the spinal cord called motor neurons. Each motor neuron is connected to a specific muscle group, such as the bicep, quadricep, or forearm. When a motor neuron fires, impulses travel to those muscles, releasing a chemical that causes them to relax or contract. Of course, we don't think about all this when moving the hands. We're not saying to ourselves, I'd like to fire my motor neurons just enough so the muscle fibers in the fingers contract by 2 inches and relax in the forearms by 3 inches. We only think, I'd like to take a bite of this apple, and the sequence of events just happens. In fact, we may not even think that. Simply seeing the apple activates the complex process to automatically pick it up and put it in our mouth. These are just 2 examples of the thousands of processes occurring inside the mind and body. Another example is the way the ears convert vibrations in the air to recognize sound, or how the vocal cords create similar vibrations to form words. Then, of course, there are our thoughts, feelings, drives, impulses, memories, habits, and let's not forget the digestive system, which converts food into energy to give these processes the fuel to function. As you can see, humans are made up of an extremely complex set of chemical reactions, mechanisms, and processes. These reactions and processes are so fast and fluid, we don't notice them take place. In fact, we don't even notice they exist. Not only that, but many of these processes are outside our conscious control. We believe we're in control and that we're directing our decisions and actions, but
Sample complete. Ready to continue?